Well, here's why you're starting to see some of those burn bans dating back to May 1st. We have some areas that are running nearly 6 inches below average on rainfall. One of those spots is Benton. Since May 1st, picking up just a little over 3 inches of rainfall. And yeah, that is about 6 inches below average. You look at Carbondale, they've seen a little bit more, but still running below average. Harrisburg, only 5 inches since May 1st. Metropolis, about 3.5 inches. So many of our areas need rain. The bad news is today we're not going to see any of that wet weather. Lots of sunshine out there right now. We do have some fair weather clouds. These are live views coming in from Mount Vernon, showing some of the fair weather cumulus clouds out there. Seeing a few in Sparta as well. The farther south you go, the more sunshine you will see, the less in the way of those fair weather clouds that are around our region. So continuing to see temperatures trend back. So here's some more good news. All right, temperatures right now running anywhere from about 8 to 10 degrees cooler than we were at this time yesterday. It does put us back into the lower 80s, 82 in Mount Vernon, 81 in Marion, 83 in Cape Girardeau, 84 degrees at this hour in Sykeston. So if we're 10 degrees cooler than that, that means that yesterday at this time before noon, we were in the low to mid 90s. So there is some relief on the way over the next couple of days from some of the extreme heat. It is still going to be on the warm side. Temperatures today climbing back in the upper 80s to even the low 90s. We'll stay there for the next couple of days, but more extreme and possibly even dangerous heat on the way towards the end of this week. We're talking more triple-digit actual temperatures and heat index values that may approach 110 degrees. And if you were hoping for some drought-busting rains, there's not a lot of it out there right now. Cold front continues to work its way away from our region, sagging to the south and east and taking with it all the rain chances as well. This afternoon, staying dry, will keep the fair weather clouds around parts of southern Illinois, upper 80s for highs there. Lower 90s into parts of southeast Missouri, and then tomorrow afternoon, maybe a degree or so warmer. Now, today we do have some wind out there from the northwest. Tomorrow, that wind will stay out of the northwest, will be a little lighter on Tuesday afternoon. We're in the upper 80s and low 90s on Tuesday. Here's our next chance for a couple of showers. First thing Wednesday morning, a couple showers moving in from the west. They kind of fall apart right over top of us, so it's not a good rain chance. But there is a chance for a couple of showers, mainly into southeast Missouri Wednesday morning. By Wednesday afternoon, winds are turning more out of the south. That's a sign that the humidity is going to start returning, and we are back into the lower 90s. A lot of that heat right now situated to our south. Heat dome starts to expand and shift a little farther eastward. That means our temperatures are going to climb up very quickly. So 89 today, 90 tomorrow, 91 Wednesday. By Thursday and Friday, we're talking actual temperatures above 100. And then you factor in the humidity, and we're talking about peak heat index values, what it's going to feel like, possibly as high as about 105 to 110 degrees. So some sweltering weather in store for us later on this week. There's that chance. We're talking about small chance for maybe a shower or two Wednesday morning. Later this week, hot, humid, a couple pop-up storms on Friday. By the weekend, our next cold front moves through, brings a better chance for some scattered showers and storms. And, well, Brooke, it does bring our temperatures back, at least to the tolerable level, back into the upper 80s and low 90s.
Well, definitely looking forward to that because, oh my gosh, 107 with the heat index, that's hard to imagine.
We've got to get through Thursday and Friday first.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Nick.